Now let's create the next part, knob. You will see this diameter, radius 30 means diameter 60, hole diameter 5.2, and there is a radius, this portion half of this 10 millimeter. Let's see how we can achieve this. Right plane, let's say front plane, sketch. Let me draw a circle. Draw a center line. Okay, let me draw one more line. Make sure the center line as a construction line. Keep this diameter 5.2. Okay, let me select the diameter 60. Okay, important line, connect from here. Okay, this is vertical line. Okay, let's make this distance 10. Similarly, again let me draw the same line here. Now select both the line and make relation equal. Trim entity, activate trim entity, keep power trim, and here select trim entity as construction geometry, so that we will not lose our any relation. Press and hold and drag. This is trimmed. Trim. This portion also trim. See, these all portions trim. Okay, let's define, even if you don't find anything. Now see, we have one close profile. Simply go to revolve boss base feature. Now here, axis of revolution, select the center axis line. Once you select, by default angle 360, blind. Okay. Now let me define some material, let's say wood, mahogany, polished mahogany. See. Now let me save this one, parts, and this is knob.